Hey guys, it's Kevin with Earth 2 Mastery, and tonight we try to take over the world. All right, I have a message for you today about why you should be joining a guild, okay? First things first, I've got my 5% discount code in the description down below. Please use that when you purchase tiles. I greatly appreciate it when you support the channel that way. If you do use the code, leave your comment below and like the video. I will choose a winner from the comments below to give away a little piece of land on our island in Myanmar so that you can join our guild or expand your land holdings within our guild. I do have a winner from yesterday's video, and I'll announce that at the end of the video, so please stick around for that. Okay, so I feel like there are three types of players on Earth 2. There's the people that want to make money, the people that want to play the game, and the people that want to make money and play the game. Now, personally, I want to make money and play the game. In fact, that's the ideal situation. If I could get paid to play a video game that's fun and entertaining, I really can't see a better way of making a living than that. I wasn't born with a silver spoon, but by golly, playing a video game and getting paid for it is even better than that. And I believe that 100%. But here's the deal. There's going to be a lot of intricate factors as far as how you can make money in the game, how you can play the game, the cooperation within the game. Sure, the people that were early adopters just bought some land, now they're reselling it, they're cashing out and they're getting out. I'm not getting out because I am interested in playing the game. I want to see what we can create together. That's one of the main reasons why I started a guild called Masters United, which you can join by clicking in the description down below. We've got a link to our Discord. You can join that. We've got locations for our island strongholds. Buy a piece of land there and you're automatically capable of being in Masters United. I want to cooperate in the game. I want to see what we can build together. I want to have interesting places that we can go and hang out, places where I can build houses and businesses and games within the game. I really think that this could be something huge if it does turn into a player one type game. We're going to have all kinds of mini games in there. We're going to have places where we can socialize. We're going to have places where we can be entertained by others. We are going to have places where we can entertain others. And what good is that if you're on your own little plot out in the middle of the desert? Now, I do have some plots out in the middle of the desert for resources. I have diamond mines and gold mines, and I have tiles on the water, and I have tiles on the coast. But I'll tell you, the ones I'm looking forward to the most are the tiles that I have in our communities. And the reason I have interest in those tiles the most is because, sure, I know what my ideas are. I have one idea I'm not sharing with anybody because I want to be the first to do it. It wouldn't be hard to replicate, and it's all going to be based on popularity. So I'm not sharing that idea with anyone, but I'm looking forward to it a lot. But what I'm really looking forward to the most is not what I can do. What I'm looking forward to the most is seeing what's in other people's minds, seeing what other people can create. Because I know what's in my mind. Sure, I want to get it out there so I can see it come to fruition, so I can share it with you guys. But the reality is I already know what's there. I don't have any idea what's in your guys' minds, and I have no idea what is going to pop up in the game and the amazing things that you guys are going to create so that I can go in there and enjoy it and watch other people enjoy it. Okay? But people that just want to make money, it's still important that you join a guild, and I'll tell you why. If you're going to be gathering up resources, you're going to be trying to build, you want to trade resources, it's going to be a lot easier if you have friends inside the game for you to get the resources that you need, for you to get protection from other people who may be looking to exploit you or take your resources. So it's important that you have a network of people there that you can rely on and get help from. Of course, they're going to expect that they can rely on you and get help from you too. It's going to be a true community. If you're looking to play the game, obviously you want to be able to be powerful in the game. And what is more powerful than having a community behind you? Even a big community doesn't really want to attack a small community because there's great losses suffered. But big communities attacking individuals, or even small marauding gangs attacking individuals, yeah, absolutely. That happens in the real world. So of course it's going to happen in the game. They're going to take everything that you have in the game if they have the opportunity. But if you have a community of people that you can be in and feel safe with, that you're not going to lose your resources. You're not going to lose what you have built up, and are going to work together with you to increase your holdings and increase the creativity of what you can build in your own land. It's just really best, if you are going to be playing the game, that you have at least some people that you can work with, and so that you can coordinate with them, build things that you wouldn't be able to build yourself, help them build things that they wouldn't be able to build themselves, and help protect each other and grow your resources together. So it's helpful for people that want to make money. It's helpful for people that want to play the game. So of course it's helpful for people that want to make money and play the game. Basically, joining a guild is helpful to everyone, and I believe that. We have tiles left on our island in Myanmar. We have tiles left on our island in Grenada, and we have tiles left on our second island in Kasha'a. Okay, they're all listed down below, so feel free to come and join our guild. But even if you don't join our guild, I feel like it's beneficial to you to join a guild. You can go to the Earth 2 main Discord, and they have a list of communities that you can join there. Even if you don't necessarily want to be in a guild, it's a good idea to join a city, a mega city, where you can be cooperative with the other people within the city. It may not be as cooperative if you guys were in the same guild with common goals, but it's still going to be a city where you can grow together and feel safe in the game and see the amazing things that they've built. So join a guild, join a mega city, join a group somewhere. It's going to be beneficial to you. I'm going to do a video soon where I go over the top mega cities in my opinion, and then I'll do a video where I talk about the top guilds. Obviously, number one is going to be Masters United, because I feel like we're going to make a great community together. But no matter how you slice it, it's important that you get with some sort of a group, so that you're not just wandering around the game aimlessly with nobody to help you, nobody protect you, and nobody to have fun with. Okay, so the winner from last night's video for our land in Myanmar, and he'll get a couple tiles in Myanmar, is Matty K. And he says that he's trying to get as many people involved as he can in Earth 2 in case it becomes as big as Bitcoin. So I think that's very honorable that you're trying to help your people out. A lot of people try to keep everybody else down, and here you're trying to build them up. So I really appreciate that. Get with me through a private message in Discord or a private message on Facebook, which you can find through my group listed in the description. And I will send you a link to a couple tiles on Myanmar where you can bid a penny, and I'll give those to you so that you can join our guild if you haven't already, or you can expand your holdings if you have. Thank you so much for using my code, Maddie. I appreciate it, and I will talk to all of you tomorrow.